You have been lied to. The fitness industry has let you down. The nature of health and fitness has let you down. The advertising agencies, the trainers. You do not want to get results fast, okay? Because getting results fast means that you're not instilling long-term values into your training. Okay, so the transformation, we see these transformations, you know, on TV and The Ultimate Loser and people transforming themselves in a short period of time, and you know, they're suffering in the training, getting absolutely smashed by their trainers, and they're talking about how much they're changing and about how good it feels. Well, it's all bullshit. It is all bullshit if you're not going long term with your training values, and they have to be training values that are yours, that you actually put out there, okay? You can't be motivated by someone else, an external party, to get you down to the gym, to get you up in the morning, to train you when you're at the gym, okay? This is on you. And until you are able to do this by yourself, you're not going to keep the results you get. You might have it for a short period of time, but you won't have it long term. And this is essential with understanding that fitness isn't short term. You don't want a quick fix. You want to get yourself these results and keep them. We definitely want to look good, we want to feel good, we want to be fit, we want to be healthy, okay? But not if it's short term. You don't buy a car, a flash nice new car, to use it a couple of weeks and then park it up in your garage, do you? Well, why would you treat your body like this? Why would you go through this diet and intense regime only to go back to your old ways, which is what happens to most people if they finish the damn transformation? So, dieting is a word that we don't use. We don't diet, we eat healthy, we eat long term, we eat clean, we eat whole foods, and we make sure it's in moderation. There's a simple thing that you need to do in terms of eating, okay? It doesn't matter how fucking healthy you eat. If you're not eating less than the calories you are burning, you will put on weight. Now, there's another thing. If you are eating less than the calories that you are burning, which we call a deficit, you are going to lose weight. It's impossible for you not to. You can dress it up however you like, okay? That's exactly how it works. So, make sure, A, you're being accountable for yourself, taking ownership, and not relying on an external force to motivate you, to get you through your program, your course, whatever it is that you're doing. B, okay, you have to make sure that the things that you're doing on a daily basis to get your goals are things that you're going to keep doing, okay? If they're not, you're going to struggle, okay? And you're not going to end up getting your results and keeping your results. You might get your results, but you won't keep them if you don't have long-term values. This is essential, okay, to make sure the type of food you're eating, the way you're going about it, is something that you can sustain long-term, okay? Same with your training. You've got to be able to sustain it. You have to be able to motivate yourself to do the training, okay? If you don't have access to trainers, or you're sick of using trainers, or you don't have access to a boot camp, okay, you've got to motivate yourself. You've got to be out there to do your own training. You've got to push yourself, but you've got to be able to sustain it as well. So, all in all, what we get out of this is you've got to enjoy the process. The process has to be fun. You have to enjoy getting out there and training. If you're just doing HIIT training on the spot, I get bored with that and it doesn't entertain me that much. However, if I go for a bike ride or a run or a big walk, throw a workout into that, that's fun, that's enjoyable. You're moving through the environment around you, taking in the scenery, that's fun and it's enjoyable. Okay, nutrition, find some nice new meals. Asian cuisine's quite easy to cook up, tasty, and healthy for you. So, most Asian cuisine, of course. So, it's got to be enjoyable for you, okay? And don't put your faith into these transformations that promise these fast results, okay? And looking amazing and all this shit, because it's rubbish, okay? And it's not actually what you need long term, okay? What you need long term, proper values and enjoyment in the training, okay? That's what you need, team. Thank you. Peace out.